Growing your watch time or even getting that 4,000 watch time can be very exhausting and difficult. And a lot of you will be like, if you want to get the 4,000 watch time, you have to be going live every single day. But the truth is that going live every single day can be really exhausting. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the watch time strategy that works crazy fast. Like, it works crazy fast, and I've already tried it in some of my videos and it worked well for me. So if you've been trying, like you've been looking for a breakthrough, you've been looking for a way to learn how to grow your watch time, this video might be your breakthrough. So try to watch this video from the beginning till the end, because I'll be breaking down every single step. If you decide to go live continuously, you're going to get that 4,000 watch time. Yes, you're going to get it, that 4,000 watch time. But whenever you post your long form content, nobody will watch that video. Nobody will watch it, because you got your 4,000 watch hours through live streaming. So they will not even be interested in your long form content. That is not the real way to grow. So, and you have to know that YouTube does not promote videos that people don't watch. As long as your videos, like, people don't watch your videos, people just click on your videos and just, click off immediately, YouTube will not promote that video. So what do? You have to change the way you structure your videos, and that's what this new strategy is all about. You have to be attentive, you have to pay attention, because I will break down every step. You have to understand it. So let's just watch our strategy that I'm going to be breaking down in this video. Is called loop retention, and it's a 3-part system. When you follow this strategy, people will watch your videos and you won't have to beg them to even watch your videos. So the first part that I'm going to be breaking down is called the curiosity loop. So how do you do the curiosity loop? At the beginning of your video, at the very beginning of your video, you need to tell your audience that you're going to reveal something for them or to them at the end of the video, or maybe halfway through the video. That way people can watch your video till the very end to find out what you want to reveal. Now, for example, at the beginning of this video, I said that I am going to break down the watch hour strategy that will, grow your watch hour. So that might hook you, and you would want to watch this video till, the end to know what the strategy is all about. That is what I mean by the loop curiosity. So try to make your viewers to be curious. When they click on your videos at the very beginning, just try to create a curiosity so that they will watch your videos till the very end. So the step 2 is to use mini payoffs. Every 30 seconds or maybe every 40 or 50 seconds, reward your viewers' attention. The more they are watching your videos, try to be giving them value. Do not save everything for the end of the video or at the end of the video. That way people will just click off immediately, because you are not even hitting the nail on the head. You are not giving them the solution to their problem. You're just going around in circles and repeating the same thing over and over again. Nobody wants this, because you're wasting their time. Just break down everything step by step and give them the value. Give them that value that they want. Give them the solution to their problem. Don't go around in circles just because you want your video to be long. No, don't do that. People will click off immediately. Just break down everything and reward their attention every 30 or 40 seconds. That way they will be hooked. They will watch your videos till the very end, and your watch time will be. For some small YouTubers, just because some YouTube gurus told you that if you want to grow your watch hours, you have to be creating long form content, then you just decide to be creating long form content, like videos over 10 minutes long, 12 minutes, 15 minutes long, because you want people to watch your video. The truth is that if your videos are long, nobody will watch your video, especially if that video is boring or not engaging. Some of you will take a 5-minute video and extend it to a 20-minute video, a 15-minute video, a 12-minute video. That thing that you have to say that will just take 5 minutes or even 3 minutes, you will just be saying all sorts of things that don't even matter, and the video will just be long, unnecessarily long. When people are watching your videos and they notice that you're not even hitting the nail on the head, you're not arriving at a point, you're just repeating the same thing over and over again, they will not watch your videos. So try and make your videos to be short, not like a 60 seconds video. Try to make it short, a 5-minute video, 6, 7, 8-minute video. That way people will watch your videos. A lot of people will find it engaging, because you're arriving at a point, you're going straight to the point, your video is full of value. They will watch your videos till the very end. And you know what happens? YouTube will start promoting that short video, promoting it so that everybody will watch that video, and the watch time that you've been looking for, you will just get it from that 5-minute video you posted. So it's not just about posting long form content. Try to just hit the nail on the head. This step 2 is very necessary, so just try to practice. So this step 3 is to make sure that you recommend a specific video at the very end of your video. That is when you use your end cards, your end screen. A lot of you will just add random videos on your end screen. This is very wrong. Try to recommend a specific video. Now, for example, if your channel is all about baking a cake now, for example. So after you create a video on how to bake a cake, you can create another video that is about decorating a cake like a pro. So at the end of that baking of cake video, you can like tell your viewers that they should click the end card so that they can learn how to decorate a cake like a pro. You see, that person will watch that video. After watching that video on how to bake a cake, they will click on the video on how to decorate a cake like a pro. So you see, you're looping the videos. That way you're keeping viewers between your videos. They can binge watch your videos. This is how you blow up your total watch hours. So try this. Step 3 is very necessary. The step 3 is very necessary. Add end cards at the end of your videos. End cards, specific end cards, and urge them to click on that end card. Let me just share some extra tips that you guys have to try out. The first extra tip I'll be giving you guys is to use playlist. Playlist works like magic, guys. Playlist, it works like magic. So some of you don't know how to group your videos like into playlist. You have to pick out those videos that are somehow related to each other, like those videos that are talking about the same thing, that are under the same topic. Try to group all of them into one playlist. If you don't know how to label your playlist, you can go to ChatGPT and discuss with ChatGPT. Tell it that you want to create a playlist, but you don't know the title that you want to use for this playlist, and ChatGPT will recommend a title for you. If you've like given it the information it needs, enough information, it will give you the title and the description, even tags that you need for your playlist. So title your playlist and group all of them. Try to group all your videos into a playlist. That way, when somebody watches a video in that playlist, the next video that will come out will be the video in that playlist. So try to group your videos into playlists. Playlist works like magic. Like the person that invented playlist needs to be rewarded, honestly, because it works. Try to use playlists. Some of you don't use it. Use playlists. It works like magic. Group your videos. That way, people will binge watch your videos. Then the second tip I'll be giving you guys is to make sure that you use timestamps. Try to like create timestamps. That way, people will stop skipping. They will stop skipping your videos because they already know what is coming next, and they can just go straight to that place where they want to watch and click on it and watch. Try to create timestamps. Timestamps works a lot because when somebody goes to your description and they see the timestamps and the topics related to those timestamps, they will just go straight to that place and click on it and watch it. No need of skipping your videos. Skipping your videos can harm your audience retention. The YouTube algorithm will take it as people are bored. That is why they are skipping. So try to create timestamps. The next tip that you have to try out is adding visuals. This one is optional. You can add B-rolls to your videos. You can edit your videos, add zoom ins, add pictures and images that will make your videos to be more engaging. That way, when somebody is watching your videos, they will watch it till the very end because you're adding B-rolls that are engaging. So try to add it to your videos. Someone like me, I don't usually add it because my videos are usually straight to the point and my videos are somewhat engaging. So that is why I don't usually add B-rolls to my videos. So guys, if this video was helpful, please subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about YouTube growth tips. So if you're interested, please subscribe. And if this video was helpful, subscribe. Make sure you like this video and make sure you say something in the comment section. If you've been trying some of these tips that I give you in this video, please, go down to the comment section and write it down there and tell us if it has helped you. And please, if you have any question, please go down to the comment section and ask. I'll be there to reply all your comments. I'm online 247, honestly. So just go to the comment section and say something. I'm dying to hear from you guys. And again, the thing is, after you upload your videos, there are some things that you have to do after you upload your videos in the first 10 minutes after uploading your videos. So what is that thing? Try to click on that end card to find out. It is very necessary that you click on that end card so that you can find out what to do after uploading your videos. If you don't do it, you might be losing your views. That is it. So just try to click on that end card and find out. Thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.